One more globe.
Yes, sir. That guy was he's tall.
Did you wear the globe? From here you get it, okay? So let me explain first. Well, as we are going to do the activities about titration, it is also known as acid-base titration or neutralization reactions, okay? So it's a acid-base reaction. You are going to find the unknown concentration of base today, okay, as per the worksheet given. So first and foremost, I like to request everybody, this activity we are going to deal with acid and bases. These are very corrosive. Okay, if it's spill on your skin or eyes, you know the consequences. Eye will damage if it is spill on your eyes. Alright, so in this fraction of seconds, your eye will be, have problems. So therefore, you have to handle these acid and bases very carefully. So, you can see in the paper, the worksheet, the chemical reactions has been written. When hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide, the salt is being produced and water on the other hand. Okay? And the materials are there, you have to check. We have provided all the materials that needed for this activity to be done. I would show you. This is your burette stand and then burette. And how to do it? This is your burette. Okay, this burette can hold maximum 50 centimeter cube of volume. So you have to fill the acid until 0 mark. Okay, you have to fill the acid until 0 mark. So you will be given here. You can say hydrochloric acid is given. The concentration of acid is 0.1. It is written here. Okay, so this is your known concentration, but you are going to find. This is your unknown concentration. You are going to find sodium hydroxide concentration. This one. Okay. So first step is to do. First fill the acid in this burette. Set properly. And before you fill, make sure that you have to rinse. And we have pipette also here with the pipette filler. Alright. So while filling, make sure it is attached properly. And then the air has to be removed. So press this area. And then air is removed. Then you got squeeze, right? Now it's appropriate to take the solution and transfer to the conical flask. Okay? You can see also. This also such a hazard. Okay, listen. So you pour the acid over here in the burette, and in pipette, you have to take sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is given here for everybody. So how do you take it? You just slightly, very gently remove the plastic. It should be, the air has to be removed. It looks like this, the structure, okay? Hold it very gently. And you can see the structure here, you just need to press. See, look at it. If I'm pressing, the solution is coming over here, right? It's coming until 0 marks you have to take. I think it is 0. Alright, it is not exactly 0, I have to remove a little bit. So, you just need to press here, so it will go. It's now correct? Exactly 0 mark? Yes or no? Still, huh? Less means you just... Okay, now it's correct, right?
Yeah.
Yes. After measuring 25 centimeter cube of sodium hydroxide, you need to transfer to conical flask. Now for example here, I transfer, you just press this, it will go as it is. Look at it.
That's tough, sir.
Okay? Done? Now the next step is to do is, this is your sodium hydroxide, add little bit indicator. So I am giving you the phenolphthalein. This indicator, what is the color? In acid it will be colorless, and base it will be pink. Okay, as I am having base here, sodium hydroxide, let me just add few drops, maybe 3 to 4 drops. This is your dropper. Okay. This is 1 drop. Second drop, third drop. Okay? There are 5 drops. Four is enough. So now this is your beautiful solution. This is a pink, beautiful solution. This is, so I told you right, phenolphthalein will be pink in base and it will be colorless in acid. Now here, you have taken acid over here, right? You have to pour until 0 marks and then you start mixing. Make sure that this is the nozzle is closed. That means before you pour here, the nozzle must be closed. If not, all the solution will be. Okay, if you do like this, it is open. Okay, straight means open. This means closed. So before pouring hydrochloric acid into this burette, make sure your nozzle should be closed. Okay, and then start mixing slowly. Start mixing slowly until the color change takes place. You will be finding here, I have been given here the white tile. White tile basically we use to see the visualize color properly, the changes. How the color change takes place easily. That's because of the white tile we can use it. And before adding the hydrochloric acid to the burette, we rinse a little bit. The reason is, if you don't rinse, there is a drop of water will be present in the tip of the burette. And what happens, the water can dilute the acid. Okay, so therefore the concentration can be lower. Okay, it will affect the result will be inconsistent or the result will be inaccurate. Okay, and it will feel like more volume has been added. So therefore you have to rinse, you have to pour a little bit hydrochloric acid and then start new. So can you please have a look to the worksheet? There are some data table. It is called raw data. So 4 times you have to do the rough one. That is just to know how much volume is needed to neutralize. Okay, that is just to understand. And the real one is the remaining 3. So all total 4 times you have to repeat. Okay, how many times? 4 times you have to do that. At the end you have to find concentration. There is a formula also I have attached. First to find the number of moles and then at the end you have to find the concentration of sodium hydroxide. Okay, and there are some questions like not now. First you have to do the activity and then you have to write. Okay. Once you have done, color change takes place. You can wash properly the conical flask and again you can use. Okay, so 4 times you have to. So now you can wear your safety goggle. Start it. Yeah, 4 times.
What is roughly?
Huh? Roughly. That is roughly you have to do first.
So we have another ball, right?
Huh? No need. Only 4 times you have to do. That's it. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Mau nanti kasih apa nama?
Maybe you can be yeah, we are strict stop.
For do you use a bigger one or smaller one? Bigger one. Okay, bigger one is.
Yeah, that is the right way to squirrel.
I think it's a fail. It runs out.
Okay, now the indicator color is pink, right? Yeah. So until you get colorless, you have to titrate. And measure the value and write over there, okay? Yes, yes. Yeah. Now stop. Stop. What's the value? You started from 0, right? Yeah, 0 and the final is 19. Right over here. Here, initial 0, final 19 and subtract. How is going?